Most people use Claude to answer questions, but today I want to try something completely different. I want to see if Claude can build an entire business dashboard from scratch. I'm going to describe exactly what I want in plain English. If AI is really changing software development, this should be enough. Let's see what happens. And if you're wondering what prompt I'm using, don't worry. I've included the exact prompt in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste it into Claude and follow along. Let's see what happens. Before generating the dashboard, Claude is verifying all the data from the spreadsheet. It has already identified the main business metrics, revenue and profit trends, top performing products, traffic sources, and recent transactions. Everything appears to match the data I uploaded, which means Claude now has all the information it needs to build the dashboard. Let's see what the final result looks like. All right, and here's the final result. Claude has taken the spreadsheet data and turned it into a complete business analytics dashboard. Right away, we can see monthly revenue, net profit, active users, conversion rate, customer growth, and churn rate displayed in the top section. Below that, Claude generated revenue and profit growth charts based on the data from the spreadsheet, along with traffic source breakdowns and the top performing products. And remember, all of this was generated automatically from the data we uploaded. If I click into traffic sources, Claude creates a dedicated section showing exactly where the business traffic is coming from. In this example, organic search is responsible for most of the traffic at 64%, followed by direct, referral, social, and paid ads. It even visualizes the distribution with charts and percentage breakdowns. Next, we have the transactions section. Here, Claude generated a full transaction log showing customers, products, amounts, transaction status, and dates. It also summarizes total transaction volume, the largest deal, and the average transaction value. Again, all generated automatically from the spreadsheet data. Moving over to products, Claude created a product performance dashboard. We can see the total product revenue, the top performing product, and a ranking of all products based on revenue. There's also a visual revenue distribution chart that makes it easy to compare performance across the entire product lineup. And the crazy part is that this wasn't hand-coded. We simply provided Claude with the data, described the dashboard we wanted, and it generated an entire interactive analytics platform in just a few minutes. Now imagine doing this with your own business, whether it's an online store, a startup, a freelance business, a YouTube channel, or even a personal finance tracker. You can simply give Claude your data and let it build a dashboard around it. Instead of spending hours creating spreadsheets and reports manually, Claude can organize your revenue, customers, products, traffic, growth, and other key metrics in minutes. And this is just one example. The same approach can be used to create CRM systems, project management tools, client portals, inventory trackers, and many other business applications. The fact that someone with no coding experience can now build tools like this is one of the biggest opportunities AI has created. If you want to build this exact dashboard yourself, you'll find the prompt and resources in the description below. We're still in the very early days of AI, and the gap between the people who use these tools and the people who ignore them is only getting bigger. If you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools, workflows, automations, and opportunities, make sure you're subscribed to Think AI. Every week, I'll be sharing practical ways to use AI to save time, build smarter systems, and take advantage of what may be the biggest technological shift of our lifetime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.